Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis. This is The Daily Rage. I have been talking about this for weeks now, and it totally was true for me today. I'm going to tell you what happened. But what I've been talking about is how grateful I am for trader funding. Now, the reason is because it's a massive safety net. That does not mean you should trade like a lunatic just because it's not a real account or real money. But what it does mean is that when things go wrong, it's not really going to hurt as badly as it would if it was your regular account with your own hard-earned cash. So this is the NASDAQ futures. This is what I was trading earlier this morning. And you can see that the open was a little bit janky, but then it got itself going to the high side. This is a 2-minute time frame. So that's all good. And then a major pullback worked its way up a little higher and then just like chop city around here. This was an economic news release. You could see massive range from here all the way down to here on that candle. And then it was just like really choppy up until here. Got a little bit of rally going. Okay, cool. And then what I was looking for it to do was to pull back. So I was watching this whole section right in here, and I was hunting for a short. So what I needed it to do was, first of all, be below this level here. So it did break through that, but then it was like super choppy. You can see these couple wicks right here. That's just too much wick for my taste. So then as we started to get going, okay, cool. I don't know where exactly it was, but somewhere right up and around here, I took a short. Okay. So now we're on this candle. On the screen, in terms of what it looked like to my eye, I could see that it actually hit and went through both of my targets. So I was short, my target was, let's say, here and here. It busted through those in about a millisecond, but then as you can see, whatever the heck was going on at 9 a.m. Mountain Time Zone, I don't know what this was, but huge bounce up. So big range on this specific candle. So prior to that trade, I had been up $1,100 in my account. After that trade, I don't know what happened, but it freaked out NinjaTrader, and it's almost as if it got me into the trade to the reverse or whatever the heck happened. But suddenly I was down $1,800. So just imagine that if you were up in your real account, 1,100 bucks, and you're like, okay, cool. Like for me, that's great because my daily target is 1,000. I had already surpassed that. So yes, I should have probably not even been trading. But I was like, okay, I still feel like it's going to go down, which it did. It just went in a super choppy way. So I was $1,100 up, and then in a second, I was down 1,800 in that same account. And I'm like, okay, that's not so cool. So thankfully, throughout this portion where it was heading down again, I was able to make that back. I ended the day with $575 P&L, so certainly not the whole of what I had made, but at least I wasn't down 1,800 bucks. But all that is to say that I am so grateful that this is trader funding. It's not my regular trading account. So while I wasn't happy about it, it definitely wasn't the end of the world. I also wanted to let you know that right now, as of today and tomorrow only, Apex Trader Funding is on sale for 90% off. Now, that's a massive discount. That's the biggest discount that they offer. They don't do it very often, as you may well know. So now is the time to either grab a new account, more accounts, whatever it is that is going to help you meet your particular trading goals. Now would be the time to do it. There's a link and coupon code down below. In addition, my peak performance class starts on Saturday. So the last day to sign up for that would be Friday night at midnight Mountain Time Zone. If you have any questions about any of this stuff, drop them in the comments below. Otherwise, I'll look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Happy trading. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.